Good afternoon all. I'm presenting my fourth project for HVAC 206 course for controls. Please pay attention to this push button and also this LED. Essentially, I'll be controlling the brightness of the LED in 5 steps. It'll go from 25, 50, 75, 100% brightness, and then off on the next push. And I'm using a debounce function in the code that I've written. Also, I'm using analog right in the PWM pin. I don't know if you can see the orange wire is going to be connected to pin 11, which is a PWM pin, and then we're using that to control the brightness. You'll notice that the LED is protected by a resistor here, and then we're also using a pull down resistor to keep the power at 0 when we're not using the push button here. And this push button is going to be assigned to pin number 8. Alright, I hope you guys have a good look at this, and thank you very much for watching.